What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Quant QNT, which has taken a huge increase in value, a huge pump. As you guys can see, a huge green candlestick can only mean one thing. It has pumped up near about 40% in the last 24 hours, currently trading at $88. So we're going to be going through what is next for this crypto. Is it likely to pump up to about $100 over the coming hours, days? And if so, how high is it likely to go for the rest of the year? And looking at, is it time to invest? Is it too late? Is it time to sell it if you're on a profit? Or is it time to hold on to it going into 2025? Is this a must-have crypto in your wallet? So we are going to be looking at the short-term and long-term investors' point of view, as well as buyers and sellers' point of view as well. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using to do some technical analysis. And as you guys can see, by looking at this graph, just today it has broken out from the red zone into the green zone and into the dark green zone, and since then it has dropped back down into the green zone. However guys, this may be overvalued and it may be going through a price correction over the coming days. However, I'll be going through this later on in the video. So for now, I'm just going to hide this and bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we have the purple line here running across the chart, which is currently valuing Quant at $64. However, the crypto is trading at a slightly higher value here at $88, meaning it's performing very well. However, this also may mean that the crypto may be slightly overvalued. So for now, let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue line looking quite bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction. So what does this exactly mean for Quant is, according to the graph, an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected. As you guys can see, the two lines are going in opposite direction to each other. So from my prediction, I am expecting a minimal drop in value from Quant over the next 12 to 14 hours. So in the early hours of tomorrow midday, the crypto should essentially be hovering around just over $80 is what I'm expecting. So yes, do expect more red candlesticks over the next couple of hours, even though it is likely to hit the odd green candle in between. The overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side, taking an overall drop in value. So moving on to the hourly chart over the next couple of days, what can we see here? Again, the blue and the orange line are looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction. Again, in this graph, they are looking very steep compared to the previous one, meaning this is not as realistic as it seems. The reason why it's looking so steep is because of the major pump that's taken place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks the crypto is going to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace over the next few days. However guys, yes, I'm expecting it to hover around $90 potentially by the end of next week. So not much of an increase from where it is at the moment. Reason I'm predicting it to hit $90 is because I'm expecting it to hit more red candles over the weekend and essentially early next week as well, before it pumps back up by mid to end of next week to around $90 to $95 is what I'm expecting Quant to be hovering around, and potentially hitting $100 towards the end of November. But at the moment, yes, even though it is an increase in value from where it is at the moment, it's nothing major. No major breakouts are expected at the moment. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, again, similar to the previous chart, we have the blue and the orange line looking very bullish, heading towards a positive direction and looking quite steep as well. So this is once again not as realistic as it seems. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, towards the end of this year and very early next year, Quant should be trading way over the $100 mark, potentially heading to around $125 to $130 is where I'm expecting Quant to be trading at. But again, in between that time, I will of course keep you guys updated on Quant if there are any updates or news that come across that do change my predictions. So make sure you stay subscribed to the channel to keep in the loop on my predictions on Quant and all the other cryptocurrencies that I'll cover on this channel as well. But yeah, at the moment, I am expecting an overall increase in value from Quant over the next 6 to 8 weeks, but not a huge increase like the other cryptocurrencies. And on the positive side, I'm also expecting Bitcoin to be heading over $100,000 towards the very end of November, early December, which should push the crypto market in a bullish direction, which of course involves Quant as well. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale here. So as you guys can see, it has literally broken out from each resistance level with zero resistance. That's another reason why I'm expecting it to dip down a little bit further down below $80 by midday tomorrow, because it is slightly overvalued and is likely to go through a price correction. So that's the main reason why I'm expecting Quant to be taking a little bit of a dip, shall I say, or a break before it pumps back up in value in late November and December. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see that the trading volume has gone up around 400% in the last 24 hours, making it $138 million in trading, which is again a huge increase in trading. Again, reason for this is of course the increase in value that's taken place. And also guys, at the moment we can see that the value of Quant has gone up 40%, and again over the last week it has gone up 43%, meaning that is not gone as much as most cryptocurrencies, and it is also likely to head down. So compared to majority of the cryptos out there, this hasn't done as well. However, it's starting to pump up, and I'm expecting it pump up higher over the next couple of weeks as mentioned. So a lot of people have been saying Quant is likely to hit $200 by the end of the year, which I highly doubt, because for it to hit $200 it will require a major increase in value, and again, not just value but in percentage as well, which will not be as realistic and will not be sustainable. And if it's not sustainable, what would happen? It will end up dropping back down in value again. So at the moment guys, Quant is likely to hover. My target, my prediction by the end of the year is around $125. Let me know in the comment section down below how high or how low you guys are expecting this crypto to go in 2024, and also are you guys buying, are you guys selling, or are you guys holding on to it? Comment down below. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much for subscribing, and I will be hitting 100k subscribers soon, so make sure to just hit that subscribe button to join the giveaway, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Until then, take care and peace.